Nasa plano mo na ba ibenta ang pinakamamahal na sasakyan pero wala kang panahon para hanapin ang bibili nito? Or wala kang ideya kung paano ang tamang proseso ng pagbibenta ng sasakyan?
Good news! Bicol Auto Search Car Agent Services is now here to help you. We have professional sales consultant and marketing team na pwede kayo i-assist sa proseso ng pagbibenta ng sasakyan.
At kasama na po dyan ang pag-prepare ng documents which is ORCR, IDs, deed of sale, and release of chattel of mortgage if needed, and confirmation.
We also have official photographer and videographer para makunan ang unit mo ng maganda at maging presentable ito para sa mga kliyente.
Pagdating naman po sa pagmamaneho ng mga sasakyan, mayroon naman po tayong authorized driver na mapagkakatiwalaan.
In terms of marketing our units, we are using social media platforms. We have Facebook account, Facebook business account, YouTube channel, and soon we will be launching our website to gain more market.
We have two options of selling the vehicles. Number one is through cash, which is the easiest way. And number two is through financing. But don't worry, kasi meron po kami accounting staff na kung saan siya nang bahala mag-asikaso ng lahat ng documents na kakailanganin kapag financing. Kaya dito sa amin wala kang problemahin at wala ka nang dapat ipangamba. Kasi sa Bicol Auto Search,
Auto mo!
Auto mo!
Auto mo.
Auto mo,
Auto mo,
Auto mo,
sagot namin!